Good morning, student. This is the chapter 5 of SST concept of time. Okay. Time is what we measure in minutes, hours, days and year. Yes, समय वो होता है जो हम जिसे हम मिनट्स में, डेज में, आवर्स में या फिर ईयर्स में मेजर कर सकते हैं. And you know that the day begins with sunrise. Yes, the day begins with sunrise. From sunrise to 12 o'clock the time is called morning. Okay, and in this time the meal which we eat is known as breakfast. Then after slowly the sun comes on our head and it becomes brighter and brighter. Okay, and this time is called noon. It is also known as a midday. Then after the sun moves westward and it becomes afternoon. And the meal we are taking in this time, it is known as lunch. Okay, and slowly the sun goes down in the west and goes out of our sight. This is called sunset and it marks the beginning of the evening. जब sunset हो जाता है तो धीरे धीरे क्या शाम होना शुरू हो जाती है, and it marks the beginning of the evening. And in this time the atmosphere become cool and pleasant in the evening. Okay, slowly it becomes complete dark. और धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, बिल्कुल अंधेरा होना शुरू हो जाता है. The moon and the stars appear in the sky. Elders come back home from office. The elders, those who are doing job, they come back home from office. Okay, and we eat the last meal of the day called dinner. This time we eat the last meal of the day, that is called as dinner. Why it is called the last meal of the day? Because this time after when we are taking the dinner, this is the last meal. It is known as the last meal because after that we are going to sleep, and when will be rise, that time another day will start. Okay, so around 8 o'clock we should take our dinner, and at 9 o'clock we should go to sleep. Okay, and when we are going to sleep, it is our duty, it is our duty that we should wish our elders good night. Okay, and next morning the sun rise again and the new day start. Okay, so this is the day, how the day start. And you can see here कैसे शुरू होता है, फिर दोपहर नून होता है, फिर आफ्टरनून होता है, इवनिंग होता है, देन आफ्टर कंप्लीट सनसेट. तो ऐसे एक दिन शुरू होता है और धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाता है. Here second is the smallest unit of time. Yeah, second is the smallest. Here you can see here second is the smallest unit of the time and 60 seconds make a minute. जो 60 सेकेंड होते हैं वो क्या मिनट्स बनाते हैं, एंड 60 मिनट्स मेक 1 hour. ओके, सेकेंड, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन, सेकेंड इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ टाइम. सबसे छोटी यूनिट होती है टाइम की, एंड 60 सेकेंड्स मेक 1 minute and 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay, so there are 24 hours in a day. So in a one day there are 24 hours. 24 घंटे होते हैं एक दिन में. 7 days make a week. You know it very well, all of you. 7 days make a week. Okay, and 2 weeks make a fortnight. Okay, 365 days make a year. In 1 year there are 365 days. Once in every 4 years there are 366 days in a year. Once in every fourth year there are 366 days. Why it has happened? Such a year is called a leap year. Okay, in a year there are 12 months, and months are of 28 days, 29 days, 30 days and 31 days. Okay, in a year February has 28 days, but in a leap year it has 29 days. So here such a year is called a leap year. Once in every 4 year there are 366 days. How it is possible? Because if in February there are 29 days, it is known as leap year. So it comes in only in once in every 4 year. हर 4 साल के बाद फरवरी में 29 डेज होते हैं. आप कभी भी देखिएगा कि 4 साल के बाद फरवरी में 29 डेज होते हैं एंड इट इज नोन एज लीप ईयर. व्हेन इट इज कम्स इन 29 days in a February, so it is known as leap year. Okay, so I'm again going to revise this. You can listen it properly. Second is the smallest unit of time. Okay, and 60 seconds make 1 minute. 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay, so come here. There are 24 hours in a day. 7 days make a week. Okay, 7 दिन एक सप्ताह बनाते हैं. 2 weeks make a fortnight. Okay, and 365 days make a year. Once in every 4 years, there are 366 days in a year. Such a year is called a leap year, because in this leap year, February has 29 days, not only 28 days, and it comes in every 4 year. Once in every 4 year. Okay. So months are of 28 days, 29 days, 30 days, and 31 days. In a year, February has 28 days, but in a leap year, it has 29 days. I think it is clear to you. Here is timeline. So what is timeline? See here, timeline represents a sequence of events arranged in the order of occurrence. In other words, we start from the earliest event and end up at the latest event. It tells us when a particular event had taken place in the past. You can say that how we are, if you are a child, how when you come to school, when you have joined your school, in which year you was in a class first, in which year you was in a class second. So this is the sequence when you tell in the time by this sequence. So this is called timeline. To represent your story with the help of this timeline. Like see here, example is given here. In 2007, this is a Preeti's timeline. In 2007, Preeti was in class first in Sundari school. In 2008, Preeti's sister was born. In 2009, Preeti shifted to Mumbai. In 2010, Preeti visited Sea Beach for the first time, and in 2011, grand birthday celebration of Preeti. So this is the timeline. See here is the years, and what thing happened in which year, it is here. Okay, so by this help of this years, you can make a timeline. Okay, you can also make your timeline at when you have taken birth and which year you started to come to school, in which year you was in class first, in which year you was in class second. So this, by the help of this timeline, you can arrange your sequence. Okay, just like the above timeline, one can also make a timeline of the date of birth of the family members. Yeah, you can by the help of the years, you can also make your family members birthday sequence. Means in which year your grandfather's birthday, in which year your grandmother's birthday, your father's, your mother. That this all you can arrange. Okay. Here is calendar. One thing I want to tell you, a period of 10 years is called decade. Means 10 साल का जो एक period होता है, 10 years is called a decade, and the period of 100 years is called century. Yeah, if in a year there are 10, if in a period there are 10 years, अगर कोई चीज 10 साल से, तो it is called a decade. Okay, 10 years is called decade, and 100 year is called century. The boys, I think the boys can clearly understood that 100, century, it is known in the cricket. अभी 100 इसका होने वाला, यानी इसने सेंचुरी लगा दी. So 100 is a century, and period of 10 years is called decade. Okay, so a period of 10 years is called decade, and a period of 100 years is called century. ठीक है, जो 100 साल होते हैं उसे सेंचुरी कहते हैं, जो 10 years होते हैं उसे हम डिकेड कहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर इज कैलेंडर. A calendar is a chart which divides time into days, weeks, months and years. Yeah, all of you, सबके पास calendar होगा. You can see in the calendar that there is day, weeks, the name of the weeks, there is a month, there is everything is printed. So a calendar is a chart which divides time into days, weeks, month and year. Calendar में आप देख सकते हैं जो टाइम को डिवाइड करता है किस में, दिनों में, सप्ताहों में, महीनों में और ईयर्स में. It gives complete information of a year. Yeah, exactly. In a calendar you can see all the information about a year. On a calendar you can identify and mark the various important days of the year. Yeah, very true things it is written here. On a calendar you can identify and mark the various important days of the year. Everything, when you have any trouble, in a doubt, you can go and see tomorrow is Sunday, no, means which day in the past time. अगर आपको बैक डेट का भी कुछ जानना होता है, you can go and see in the calendar everything very clearly. You can see there that about, if you have to take any information about the important days, you can also see in the calendar. And if you have to know the information, if you have to know anything of the back date, किसी पीछे डेट के बारे में जानते हैं, किस दिन किस डेट को कौन से सा डे था, वो भी आप कैलेंडर में पता कर सकते हैं. सो अ कैलेंडर इज अ चार्ट विच डिवाइड्स टाइम इनटू डेज, वीक्स, मंथ्स एंड ईयर. इट गिव्स कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ ईयर. On a calendar you can identify and mark the various important days of a year. Okay, so here I told you that a period of 10 days is called decade, and a period of 100 years is called century. A period of 10 years is called decade, and a period of 100 years is called century. I will show you that how it is marked in the calendar. For example, on January 1, 2017, Sonu, a very good boy, takes a calendar and marks the important days on it. He marks the following dates: 26 January, Republic Day of India; 4 February, his father's birthday; 6 March, beginning of final examination; 14th of April, his sister's birthday; 26 May, school closed for summer vacation; 3 of July, school reopens after summer vacation; 15th August, the Independence Day of India; 5 September, Teachers' Day; 19 September, his mother's birthday; 2 October, Gandhi Jayanti; 14 November, Children's Day; 20 December, School Annual Day. So this is the important date which Sonu has marked, and his calendar appears as under C. This is the calendar. यही ऐसे ही फॉर्मेट में कैलेंडर्स होते हैं. एंड यू कैन सी हियर ऑन द सम नंबर्स, किसी नंबर्स में ब्रैकेट्स बने हुए हैं, कॉलम्स बने हुए हैं. सो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट डेज. ओके, सो दिस इज the calendar format, and when we have to know anything in of the back date, we can also find here. When we have to know the important dates of the then that we can also find here. So calendar is a very useful thing for all the purpose. So here this topic is done, this concept of time, and only few of you are sending me back the attachment file, and I tell you, Rishabh, that your attachment is not showing. Just you go back and send me again. and जिन्होंने अभी तक नहीं भेजा है, प्लीज आप उसे भेजिए ताकि मुझे पता चले कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क. Okay, and we will do this. If you have the book, no need to write this practice session in the copy. You do this in the book only. Question answer you just write in the copy, and here is the fill in the blanks. You should write in the here book and match the following in the book. We will do this. I will attach this question answer file into on the campus care, and you just do and complete all the works, all of you. Okay, and please, students, you are not sending me the attachment, just send me back. I just want to see how many of you are doing your work. Okay, till bye bye and just do the practice, and I will surely take your test also. Okay, so don't think that it is not, some of you not logging at, अभी तक किस बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स आपने लॉगिंग भी नहीं किया है, तो प्लीज एवरी डे यू हैव टू सी दैट हाउ मेनी वीडियोज आर अपलोडिंग ऑन योर साइट, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू देयर. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, बिकॉज अभी तो स्कूल्स नहीं ओपन हो रहे हैं, तो हमें अभी ऐसी ही पढ़ाई करनी है. ओके, so don't waste your time, just come back on the studies. Okay, goodbye.